Just behind me here at PS 33, you can see two of the city's 24 mobile vaccination vans. Why? Because they expected there would be high demand like we first showed you just last week when they first rolled out this campaign to make schools the site of vaccinations for 5 to 11-year-olds. Well, it was anything but that today, but the mayor says that's okay because the goal is just to get more people vaccinated ahead of the holidays. PS 33 in Chelsea is one of 59 public schools across the 5 boroughs offering COVID shots to 5 to 11-year-olds today and tomorrow because of the initial rush seen last week. But with 2 of the city's 24 mobile vaccination vans parked outside, we didn't see the great demand compared to the lines last week.
They've just had the cough and like a little bit of a cold and runny nose, and as soon as we're on the other side of that, then we're definitely going to get the shot.
Allie says plans to get her 5 and 7-year-old vaccinated are on hold until the weekend until their colds clear up. Still, the mayor proud of the fact we're the only city in the country hosting these clinics at public schools.
72,000 vaccinations of 5 to 11-year-olds citywide. At the school sites alone, 26,300 vaccinations already. So that's amazing. That's over a third of the vaccinations that happen at our school sites in just a few days.
Starting Friday, select charter schools will host vaccination sites, and the mayor announcing kids can get their second shot at 600 schools for 2 weeks starting November 30th. With the holidays in full swing, New York Governor Kathy Hochul tweeted, "If we get through the 6 weeks without a spike in COVID cases, then we can ease up on the masks in school." You want your mask on?
Why?
I don't want to get cold.
You're a little scared of getting COVID, so you want your mask to protect you?
It's like all they know, right? Because they're kindergarten and second grade, but he was remote all last year. But I would love it if they didn't have to wear the mask anymore, just because I think it would be easier for learning.
But the mayor pointing out the city will follow the science and keep an eye on shots in arms and COVID patients in the hospital, not just cases.
The number of vaccinated New Yorkers is the single most important fact. That's the #1 metric, and that includes the number of folks who've gotten the booster, and then number 2, hospitalization rate.
Speaking of these vaccination vans across the city, coming up this week, you're going to see a lot more testing vans. City health leaders are urging you to get tested, even if you're vaccinated ahead of the holidays. We're live in Chelsea. I'm Calorama, PIX 11 News.